Hey, wave, wave. Wave. You wave at you, wave. Where are the birds? They are on top of you. Jackie, WC.
Beautiful.
Keep quiet. Keep quiet.
Beautiful.
Oh, that's a big one.
It's the one that Auntie China has. May Auntie China see the higher.
Too low, ma.
Too low. Oh, it's so blue eyes eh. It's got blue eyes.
And it's a fatty.
Now there's some migrant in here.
未諗咪通嚟咯，拿俾我計。Wait, was I not filming? The whole time? Okay, right now we're in some aircon room. So right now we're in some aircon room chilling. Yeah, because it's so hot. The weather is so hot. My sister is there. She's going to take her power nap. My brother is there. Upset that he's not seeing $50 worth of birds. Parents are over there. Yeah, but it's nice here. There's beanbags, really chill. And watch the birds, I guess.
This is the chill out spot. Maybe take a quick break here before we head. I think we've covered like half the thing already. Just walking through everything and not seeing anything.
It's almost half the day also.
No, it's not. It's not 6 yet.
Half the day.
This closes at 6. We've been walking around for less than an hour, bro.
Okay, bye. It's a bird. It's a big bird.
It's a pelican. I think it's a pelican. Looks like a pelican. Oh, you can go down.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, you can, but I don't want to.
Ichiki is calling for you. I can speak bird language. We can go down and see close to close, you know. I think it's stopped. Pelican got bigger beak, what, no?
Okay lah, I only got a pelican.
Guys, it's just a bird. It's a bird in conclusion.
Guns. It's so long. And fat like Taufik.
Wait, how did they get down there?
Not long like Taufik though. Fat.
Hi bird, hi. Oh, the downstairs they decorate damn nice, yeah. Can go down one, Shiki. Why are we not going down? We should go down. So pretty.
Api Maya boleh lihat.
Oh, that's like cute. What's that? I don't know what's the name. It's the shoe bill. Shoe bill. Yeah.
Is it an enclosure?
You know what Brian Coco called Ayana? Ariana.
Really? Yeah, I thought it's gonna be bigger though.
Oh shit, that's kind of huge.
I think they're bigger ones.
Hey, it looks so elegant.
Wow.
Very demure.
You really?
Very cutesy.
I think the bridge will shake. You need to bow to him.
Is it in the
Only bow
enclosure? I
to
think it's
our-
being enclosed, right?
What? No.
Oh, it's not.
Just a stop.
I see a mesh.
Big bird, small bird, big bird. Bird?
I have no idea what birds these are.
Big bird is drinking water. Small bird is sitting on a tree. You got to listen to that?
Hello. It's not looking at me.
These people keep talking about eating the ducks. Poor duck.
Siva, you know Daddy go touch the bird. Daddy touch the parrot. He not scared of that.
Disrespectful We get bitten by the duck.
Where the food at, bro? Keep these guys.
Where did it go?
Hey, Mama, go purple bird.
Where? Where did it go? Where did it go?
There on the branch there.
Cannot see you.
It's a purple bird. Purple bird. Where?
Hey, what is this? White flamingo.
No, that's bigger.
Big bird. Oh yeah, sorry, wrong name. Big bird. We are on a trip in a very rocket ship, little Einstein. Cruising through the sky, little Einstein. Hey, Taufik. Taufik. Shiki. 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 Wait, why cannot see? Okay, next. Cannot even see anything. Kenapa?
Down the hill. Get it.
Yeah. Only 2 stop. Hey, it's penguin. It's you. It's you. It's you.
How much? $2. $29.
Hey, I want. Mommy, I want more. So cute. I want. Buy lah if you want. Let me see how much. 30 lah. Half lah. Why? Hey Penny, what are you looking at? What are you looking at?
It's a penguin in the tail lamp. Penguin cannot train, right?
All these things are getting ready.
Bag of fish.
They are hot already. Look.
Bag of fish.
That one is also big.
Huh?
They are bird lah. Why do you think they are bird paradise if they are bird?
May.
Because how can eat the bag of fish together here?
This is fish.
They are birds. Oh, so cute. I want one. Oh, this reminds me of...
taking a quick dip there.
知啊嘅，我見到呢度嘅。你就知啊嘅。
But the zoo one damn bad.
That one is better than you, eh? Oh, so close, eh? That's so close, man.
Oh my god, so cute.
minus 幾點啊？嘢啊，可能 minus 啊，နော်？你 like minus right？
Oh, so cute.
I think you like edition and sometimes not.
Oh, so cute. It's Peter. Do you watch a penguin?
我話တရားပွဲလုပ်နေရတယ်အခုဟိုဘက်ကြီးကြောက်ကြတယ်တရားပွဲလုပ်နေတာ Ground hornbill. It's a ground hornbill. Hey, Taufik, ground hornbill. Make a noise.
See exactly that.
Wow, it's so big. What is this? This is another. So many different types of hornbill.